English A1/A2. Talking about your favorite food. Lesson by Babel Brewster's YouTube channel.
I love pizza.
Me too.
With cheese and tomato?
Yes, always.
I like it hot.
I like it hot too.
Do you like thin crust?
Sometimes.
I like thick crust.
That is nice.
My favorite food is pizza.
Mine is pasta.
Pasta is good too.
Yes, with sauce.
I like red sauce.
I like white sauce.
Interesting.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I do.
What do you cook?
I cook eggs and noodles.
That sounds easy.
Yes, very easy.
I like easy food.
Me too on busy days.
What food do you eat then?
Sandwiches.
I eat sandwiches too.
With chicken.
Yes, with chicken and lettuce.
I like ham sandwiches.
Ham is good.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I do.
I love apples.
I love bananas.
Bananas are sweet.
Yes, very sweet.
I eat fruit every day.
That is healthy.
I try to be healthy.
Sometimes I am healthy.
Sometimes.
Yes, not every day.
I understand.
Do you like vegetables?
Some of them.
Which ones?
Carrots and corn.
I like carrots too.
Raw carrots are nice.
I like them cooked.
Cooked carrots are softer.
Yes, and sweeter.
Do you like soup?
Yes, I do.
Chicken soup is my favorite.
Mine is tomato soup.
Tomato soup is warm.
Perfect for cold days.
Yes, very nice.
What is your favorite snack?
Popcorn.
Really?
Yes, especially at the movies.
I like popcorn too.
With salt.
Yes, a little salt.
I like butter on it.
That smells good.
It does.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, a lot.
What sweets do you like?
Chocolate cake.
Oh, I love cake.
I like ice cream too.
What flavor?
Vanilla.
I like chocolate flavor.
Chocolate is strong.
And very good.
Do you eat dessert every day?
No, not every day.
Me neither.
Only on special days.
Yes, birthdays and holidays.
That feels better.
I agree.
Do you like spicy food?
A little.
I like it very spicy.
Really?
Yes, I like hot sauce.
That is too much for me.
You need more practice.
Maybe.
What food is too spicy for you?
Very hot curry.
I love curry.
I can eat a little.
That is a start.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I do.
Rice with chicken is great.
I like rice with vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
It is simple too.
Simple food is often best.
I think so.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every day.
What do you eat?
Bread and eggs.
I eat cereal.
Cereal is easy.
Yes, and fast.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, in the morning.
I drink tea.
Tea is nice too.
I like it with milk.
I drink coffee black.
That is strong.
I need it strong.
I understand that.
Do you like noodles?
Yes, very much.
I like noodles with egg.
I like noodles with soup.
That is warm and good.
Yes, especially in winter.
I eat noodles when I'm tired.
Me too.
They are quick.
And filling.
Do you like burgers?
Yes, sometimes.
I like burgers with cheese.
I like burgers with salad.
Do you eat fast food much?
Not much.
Me neither.
It tastes good, but not always.
Yes, too much is bad.
I know.
Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes I cook.
What do you make?
Fish and rice.
That sounds nice.
It is simple.
Do you like fish?
Yes, I do.
I like fried fish.
I like grilled fish.
Grilled fish is lighter.
Yes, and healthy.
Do you like salad?
Yes, if it has dressing.
I like salad with cheese.
I like salad with tomato.
Tomato makes it fresh.
Yes, fresh and cool.
Do you like onions?
Only a little.
I like them in soup.
Not raw onions.
Raw onions are strong.
Too strong for me.
What food do you miss?
My mother's soup.
That sounds special.
It tastes like home.
I miss my grandma's cake.
What kind of cake?
Apple cake.
Down.
She made it on Sundays.
That is a good memory.
Yes, I still remember it.
Do you like home food more?
Yes, usually.
Me too.
Restaurant food is nice sometimes.
But home food feels better.
Exactly.
What food do you eat on Friday?
Pizza, maybe.
That sounds fun.
Friday food should feel special.
I agree.
Do you like cheese?
Yes, a lot.
I put cheese on many foods.
Me too.
Cheese on bread is great.
Cheese on pasta is great too.
And on burgers.
Yes, on everything.
Maybe not everything.
Okay, almost everything.
Do you like eggs?
Yes, scrambled eggs.
I like fried eggs.
I like boiled eggs too.
Eggs are easy food.
And cheap.
That is true.
Do you like pancakes?
Yes, with syrup.
I like them with honey.
Honey is sweet.
Very sweet.
I eat pancakes on Sundays.
That sounds nice.
Do you like peanut butter?
Yes, on bread.
I like it with banana.
Oh, that is good.
It is very filling.
Do you like yogurt?
Yes, with fruit.
I like yogurt in the morning.
I do too.
It feels light.
What drink do you like with food?
Water.
Me too, mostly water.
Sometimes juice.
I like orange juice.
I like apple juice.
That is sweet.
Yes, but not too much.
Do you like milk?
Yes, with cereal.
I drink milk sometimes.
Cold milk is nice.
Do you like bread?
Yes, fresh bread.
I love warm bread.
Warm bread smells good.
It really does.
What food makes you happy?
Pizza makes me happy.
Ice cream makes me happy.
That is a good answer.
Food can change a bad day.
Yes, it can.
Do you eat alone?
Sometimes, yes.
I do too.
But I like eating with friends.
Me too, it is better.
Food tastes nicer then.
And we talk more.
Do you like sharing food?
Yes, if I trust the person.
That is honest.
Some people take too much.
Yes, that is annoying.
I remember one friend.
What happened?
He ate my fries.
All of them?
Almost all.
Oh no.
I was angry.
I would be angry too.
Now I keep my fries close.
Smart idea.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I do.
I like it too.
Sometimes new food is strange.
Yes, but fun.
I tried sushi once.
And?
I like some of it.
That is good.
Some pieces were hot.
I know that feeling.
What new food did you try?
Tacos.
Did you like them?
Yes, very much.
I want to try them.
You should.
Do you like me?
Yes, chicken and beef.
I like chicken best.
I like beef best.
That is different.
Different is okay.
Do you like hot bread?
Yes, from the oven.
That is my favorite smell.
Mine too.
Do you like breakfast food or dinner food more?
Dinner food.
I like breakfast food more.
Why?
It feels calm.
Dinner feels warm to me.
Interesting.
Do you like sweet food or salty food more?
Salty food.
I like sweet food more.
So we are different.
Yes, a little.
But we both like pizza.
That is true.
Pizza brings people together.
Maybe it does.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the rest of our channel. We have over 1,000 videos waiting for you. And if you want to stay updated, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps us keep making content like this.